let's just see if this beast is going to start up. Get the choke on it. There you go. This thing is smooth. Oh, by the way, here, come over here, Chris. I want to show you something. Okay, we're going to turn it off. Put a nickel right here on the engine itself. Get that thing to stand up somehow.
What are you going to do?
Oh, I'm going to start it up with a nickel and see that it doesn't fall over. Okay, nickel's on there.
No way.
Yeah, you ready?
No way.
Here we go. Look at that. I'll even rev it a little bit. Look, the nickel's trying to fall off, but it's not.
You are kidding me.
No! This thing is smooth. Singer,
No way.
Yeah, Singer ain't got nothing on this motor.
No way.
Yeah, look at that.
No way.
It's not glued on.
No way.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
I would have took a bet against that happening.
Yeah, you can't beat the Honda 6.
Wow.
There's nothing like it.
I knew these were smooth, but
Yeah.
wow.
Oh yeah, it's incredibly smooth.